Hello everybody, welcome to Laney's Beads and Bliss. I'm Laney, and guys, it is getting to the end of the month, and I told you all that I was going to use every bead in the Bargain Bead Box, and I have done it, with the exception of a few beads that I have left. Let me show you first of all what I have left. This, people, is what I have left out of the box. That is it. I used every other bead in the box. So, without further ado, I am going to show you all everything that I made out of this box. So, let's get our stragglers over here. Those will become part of Laney's stash. Yes. All right. Let me bring you guys back up a little bit. So I'll start off with showing you guys what you've already seen. I did 3 design videos, but I told you guys that I was going to make some things off camera, and I did. So you guys have seen this one. This is the one that I used the chain, the beads, and the rings, the soldered rings. And I made our pretty little pendant. So there is piece number 1. Well, it wasn't piece number 1. I think this was design number 3. I'm not doing them in any order. I'm just showing you guys what we did. All right, and I also have this one. I think this one was the first one. I used our pretty clasp and I beaded all the beads on here. So this was our second piece. Yes. All right. And then with that, I did make, oh, did y'all not see this part? Yeah. Cute. So I also made these earrings to go with them. Super cute. You guys love those based on your comments. Okay. And you guys also saw this one. So this is one of the 3 that I made on camera. So we've got this with our little pendant here in the middle and our dangles. Yes. Alright, so there's that one. I made these earrings to go with it. Those were our earrings for that one. So let's open that up there and stick these in here. Alright, you guys. So what I made off camera. So there were those like plated beads in there and the gold looking ones. So I took some of the little pink beads that have the AB on it, and I put them into a necklace. And here's our little pendant. I used one of the rings again. Yes. So we got us a little starfish in here. This is one of the little starfish that we had in our box. Cute. Okay. All right, there's that one. And I made some other stuff, y'all. Okay. So I made another necklace. That is this one. Now this one, guys, I went gold tone with this one. So I'll try to put all of these on a bust and have some pictures up for you guys so you can see how they hang and everything. They're real pretty. And then I just made a pendant out of this little thing that was in the box, and I wire wrapped it a little bit and put a little lightning bolt on it. Made us a pendant for this beaded chain. Yes. All right. So far, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 necklaces. Okay, there's more. Here's another necklace that I made. This one is a simple choker style. I used one of these little clasps that came in the Bargain Bead Box. So there's this one. Okay. And let me see. Oh. Here's our earrings that went with this necklace. These little earrings that went with this one. Let me see if I can raise you guys up a little bit. Okay. And I made some bracelets, you guys. I made this bracelet. I just used 3 of our little fossil coral and some of the Amazonite, are beads that have the English cut. I used one of our little clasps. Here on the end, I just used a wire guardian. And I don't know if you guys remember or not, but I got this in one of Gina's stash bags. So I decided to use it because it goes perfectly with our color theme. Yes, it looks like a little clock. And it fit perfectly within our little circle. So that's how I made the clasp on that, you guys. Yes. Okay. Let me see if I can put this one on. And I'll just leave that one on while we're doing the rest. Because there's more. Yep. See? Cute. Yes. Got our little focal going right here. Okay. So guys, I also made us a bracelet to go with our little necklace that has a starfish. So on this one, I used one of our rings that we have with a little starfish. See our little starfish is wire wrapped in there with a little silver bead. I did use the blue wire, and I think that it's fine that you can see it because it's pretty. And so I used some of the beads in that mix that came with some of these little crystals in between. So that's another bracelet, and that goes with nothing yet. So we got that one. I also made this little bracelet. This is in the gold colorway. So I used our little fishes, which were cute, our little fish. With some of these look like pony beads, some bead caps. And I just put them around here and made us a little dangle. Cute. Yes. Alright. So that bracelet can go right there. I also made a 1-strand memory wire bracelet. So I just took some of the chips or the pebbles that came in the box, some of these little gray looking English cut beads, a couple of our spacers, those pretty spacers that came in the box, and this charm. This was in my stash bag as well, you guys, the little charm. So I also made a little dangle over here. Just put a couple of these little dangly things on the bottom. Excuse me. So I'll go ahead and put this one on too. That's what that one looks like. Okay. Yes. So at this point, I was starting to get to the end of the box. So I did a little extra. All right. So these earrings go with our little bracelet over here. These earrings go with this. So basically what I did, there were some these little metal wavy looking things. So I just basically put a bead on a head pin and made a dangle inside. Then I made a component and put it on a post. Okay, so that these earrings go with this bracelet. All right. So guys, I also made these earrings using our little circles, English cut bead, and a couple of pink ones. These don't really go with anything. These are kind of standalone, but I think they're cute. What do you guys think? Cute? Yes. All right. So those go there. I'll put them right there. Those are our standalones. And then I do have one more pair of earrings. And I forgot what I had these with. I had these with something. But they can be standalone. So I just used the little chips and a couple of the little beads with some bead caps and some little teeny tiny rondelles. There, those are cute. You could wear this pretty much with any of them, I would say. They're neutral. Okay. So we'll put those right there. And guys, to finish up, I made a couple bag charms because these are all of the beads that I had left. So I took these beads, I put them on a piece of wire, made wrap loop, and then I put some beachy looking stuff on the bottom. So these are nice. This one has 2 strands with this big oval jump ring and a clasp. You can clasp this on your purse. I got a dolphin and a seashell there. I got a lighthouse. So that's this set. And then I did the same thing on this one, but I just made it a single with a little turtle. Okay, single with a little turtle. And I had these in my stash, you guys. They came from Bargain Bead Box. But what I did, because they're one-sided, I glued them together. So they would both have the same thing on both sides. Yay! That is an option, guys, when you get findings like this that have only one side. You can glue them together and make it so they're double-sided. But 2 little bag charms. So guys, this is all of the stuff that I made out of the Bargain Bead Box for April. Yeah, so let me take you around and take a look. I'm gonna bring you down a little bit. All right, so here we go. Look at that. That's a lot of jewelry out of one bead box. And guys, I'm telling you, I did not use a lot that was not already in there. I used very little out of my stash at all. Yes. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of jewelry out of one bead box, y'all. My goodness. What do you think? Yes. So these first 3 I did tutorials on. If there's anything that you see here that you would like to see how to make, I'm happy to do that. But I don't have any beads left. So actually I can't. I used everything except for those few little beads that I showed you a minute ago. Yep. That's it. And a little piece of chain. Yep. Did Laney do a good job? I hope y'all think so. But I just love doing this. This was fun. It was a nice challenge. Am I going to do it again anytime soon? Probably not. But I love this. I'm glad that I took the time to make all this stuff. And you guys can let me know if you like it or not. And shoot, I might even take this to the show and maybe sell it. Yeah. It's a whole cohesive type situation. Yes. All right, you guys. Well, that's all I have for us today. I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I have made with this box because I told you guys I was going to do it, and I wanted to show you that I did. I did it. I did it. Woo! All right, you guys. As per usual, find your bliss right here on the bead mat. Doing stuff like this. Find your bliss right here on the bead mat, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.